Hello and welcome back to my channel. So right now we are in Rishikesh and we just got here maybe an hour ago, and we were just at the ghat taking a dip in the holy river Ganga. So we were somewhere there, and right now this is Ram Jhula, and if you look closely, the bridge that you see over there is Sita Jhula. So the three important characters from our holy scriptures, Ram, Sita and Lakshman. So this is Ram Jhula, and we actually have to walk towards Lakshman Jhula where our accommodation is. But yeah, there's some construction going on, so we have to go through Ram Jhula all the way to there, that curve and all of that, and then we get there. So let's do this. And this is Ganga Ma, holiest river. Also, it was really beautiful to take a dip. So right now, did I tell you the time? Yeah. So this is 6 a.m. and we took the dip at 5. The water was really cold. But yeah, there's no excuse when there's like holy dip. So we just did it. Okay, enjoy the bridge Ram Jhula, and let's walk towards Lakshman Jhula together on a Monday at 6 in the morning. On day 1 in Rishikesh. Check that out.
यहाँ तक चार्जिंग की आवाज आती है यहाँ तक।
बहुत अच्छा है सवेरे सवेरे क्या हवा आ रही है ठंडा ठंडा उनका दिवस और नमस्कार है नमस्कार करें सूर्य देव को प्रणाम करो सारे चलते रहो धीरे धीरे चलते रहो कहाँ जा रहे हो यार चलते रहो धीरे धीरे यहाँ बंजी विश्वास लगा जरा आगे चल रहा है आगे आगे और अच्छा आगे
So, a lot of the way is gonna be silent, like there's not much gonna go. So, I'm gonna pause this video for a bit. If something happening happens, I'll replay it. But yes, we are going towards Lakshman Jhula only. Ciao for a little bit. So once, maybe 3 years ago, I was going towards Beetle's ashram, and instead of going from down here, from where we just came, I took this road, and this road took me further to the main road of the sanctuary, and it was really, really long, maybe like 2 hours into it, whereas you just reach Beetle's ashram in probably half an hour, 40-50 minutes. So yeah, at one point it got really scary. There's nobody on the street, only few cars every now and then. And when I finally made it to the ashram, it dropped me, like the Google map dropped me to the back door of it, which was locked. And by that time I was like really afraid also, like what is going on, because I couldn't see the front door. Is it door? Like outdoor door is also door, no? Anyway, um, and I saw some people, like there was one girl and two guys inside the ashram, and I thought maybe I'll ask for help and see if like the security guy can open the door and or can tell me where can I go from, because we've been out on the street for 3-4 hours and we haven't made it yet. Maybe not 2-3 hours. um, so I'm screaming, I'm like, help, help, listen, listen, and those guys are looking at me and they're not helping. And I'm like, what? And I can hear them talk very softly, so there's no way that my voice was not reaching out. But probably they thought that one single girl asking for help, maybe they'll get in trouble. I don't know what happened then there, but I was really heartbroken because if somebody's screaming for help, single person, I think you gotta help, man. Yeah, so after seeing this main road, I remembered that. So always go from this small alley to reach. That's it. अरे यार. So something has gone off about this camera. Like this does not stay stable. And we have to look into it because it's very annoying to shoot, and I'm sure it's annoying to watch also. I'm apologizing already. uh, Bye. I mean, the video is going on, but I'm going. एक चाय और ब्रेड और बटर हो जाएगा या बन और बटर?
बन बटर हो जाएगा।
एक बन बटर और एक चाय. I'll be back after food.